So, protesters say the feds are breaking the law. The feds say protesters are breaking the law. Tonight, Richard Reeve looks at what demonstrators can and cannot legally do.
Oh, man. Go love your brother, man.
With the ICE presence ramping up in our area,
it's been very intense for almost a week now.
Law school professor Rachel Moran is concerned about confrontations between ICE agents and protesters, with neither side backing down.
There are people who are really, really angry and who feel even a sense of moral obligation. I think the officers are being extremely aggressive. I think we've seen that for roughly at least 6 days now.
At times, officers and protesters or observers are just feet apart.
Get to the car now!
There can be a thin legal line here. We revisited with legal experts Rachel Moran and Jane Kirkley to talk about the scenes playing out across the metro. What's the difference between observing and impeding when dealing with these ICE situations?
So you're legally entitled to observe. What you're not allowed to do is interfere or obstruct.
The key is you need to stay in a public space. And you need to position yourself in such a way that you're not getting in the way of ICE or other law enforcement.
Federal law says it's illegal to impede, intimidate, or interfere with agents' official duties.
You can say what you want. You can jeer at an agent. That's all protected activity. But once you start physically threatening someone with an object or uttering words that the agent could perceive as a true threat to their safety, then you're going to lose your First Amendment protection.
On the flip side, Moran believes some agents are going too far, with phones recording the scene.
But in terms of the agents who are just yelling at people not to record, knocking phones out of their hands, things like that, no, that's not legal.
But Moran says the street is not always firm legal ground.
It's important to understand what are your actual legal rights, but it's also important to understand those rights may or may not be honored on the street.
Moran says federal agents are not immune from legal action, but she says they do have a lot of legal protections and that it's hard to successfully sue a federal officer or a federal agency. In the newsroom, Richard Reeve, Eyewitness News on